Everyone is talking about AI building websites, but as developers, the real question is simple. Which AI actually understands how a real local business website should be built? Not a demo, not a concept, something you can actually sell to a client. So I decided to run a fair test. I used the exact same plumbing website prompt, no edits, no tweaks, and pasted it into ChatGPT and Gemini. Then I took those outputs and built real websites using Lovable. Same tool, same requirements, just different AI brains. Make sure to watch this complete video till the end because the results are surprising. Let's get started. So in order to start this challenge, I'm going to use this basic prompt. Okay, this prompt is all about a plumbing service website in which I have mentioned the website requirements I will need. Okay, I am focusing on mobile first design, hero section with clear CTA, service section, trust section with reviews, service areas, contact section with phone number and lead form, SEO friendly copy for local search and conversion focused layout. Okay, I will be pasting this exact prompt into ChatGPT and Google Gemini, and I will ask them to create a 10 to 15 lines of website development prompt, and I will put those prompts into Lovable AI. So I will be using the same environment, same tool with different AI brains. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Okay, let me copy this prompt. Okay, so I'm into my ChatGPT account and I have pasted a simple prompt over here that give me a website development prompt of 15 lines in paragraph format. After that I have pasted this prompt. Okay, let's run it for a few minutes. Great. So ChatGPT came back to us with 15 line prompt in paragraph format. Okay, we are going to repeat the same process with Gemini. So let's repeat the same prompt. Let me copy it. Let's go to Gemini and let me paste the same prompt. Okay, we are going to use Gemini 3 thinking model. Okay, let's wait for the few minutes. Great. So Gemini responded us with its AI prompt. Okay, great. So let me copy these prompts into Lovable one by one and let's see how it goes. Okay, let me log in into my Lovable account. Great, I have been logged in into my Lovable account. Okay, let's paste the ChatGPT prompt first. Okay, let's wait for the few minutes. Lovable started its work. Okay, it's asking me to enable notifications. Let's enable it. Great. It started thinking. Amazing guys. So Lovable has completed its work using the prompt given by ChatGPT. Okay. So let's repeat the process using the prompt from Google Gemini as well. Okay. After that, I will show you the comparison of both websites side by side and I will give my review, and you can also make a decision of your own that which one performed better. Okay. So let's repeat the process for Google Gemini as well. Okay. Let me copy the prompt from Gemini. Let's paste in another tab for Lovable. Okay. I have pasted the prompt. And let's wait for some time again and let's see how it goes. Lovable is writing its code right now. If you would like to see the codes, you can simply go here on the code section and click on it and all the files will load here. Okay, here you can see all the codes it written for us. Okay, in order to go on preview window, just click on preview and it's still working. So let's wait for a few minutes. Amazing guys. So Lovable has completed its work and our website is live. Okay, so we are ready to compare the websites generated using ChatGPT's prompt and Google Gemini's prompt. Let's do it one by one. Let's go to ChatGPT 1. Okay, this is the website Lovable created using ChatGPT's prompt. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, it's looking good overall. Okay, few flaws but looking good. So the footer is not visible. Okay, I can see the text color is white. Okay, so that's why the footer is not visible. Otherwise it's looking good overall. Okay, let's go to the other one generated using Gemini's prompt. Okay, so this is the website which Lovable generated using Gemini's prompt. We have our services section. Okay, nice. All for free consultation. Okay, local plumbing services, about. Okay, we have about section over here. Okay, trust section, nice testimonials. Okay, serving areas, contact us with a form. and our promise to you and the footer. Okay, so in the first look, I found the website using Gemini's prompt is more professional with all the necessary sections and nice fonts and everything else. So let's compare to what we have given in our original prompt and what we got as a generation. Okay, so this is our original prompt and this is the website generated using ChatGPT's prompt. Okay, so we wanted mobile first design. Okay, let's check if it's mobile friendly or not. Okay, we are on the mobile view. Okay, looks mobile friendly. Lovable creates mobile friendly designs, no issue. Okay, good. So it passed the first test. Okay, let's check for the other one, hero section with clear CTA. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, hero section has clear CTA. Okay, service section, let's check for the service section now. Okay, I have service section over here. Nice work. Okay, trust section with reviews, license and guarantees. Let's go to the trust section. Okay, I don't see any clear trust section. There is a why choose us. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have why choose us in the chat GPT's one. Okay, and the text contact section. Okay, service areas. There should be a service areas section after that. Let's check for the service areas. We have one, I guess. Yeah, this is service area section. Okay, so the text should be white over here. No problem. Let's check for the other things. Okay, SEO friendly copy. So the copy is SEO friendly, I guess, and will need some modification on the live site. No issue. Okay, conversion focused layout for lead generation. Conversion focused layout. We are missing an image over here. Let's check the Gemini's one. I have image over here. Okay, so in the Gemini's website, I found everything more professional. Okay, we have nice animation over here. We have licensed and insured and this kind of icons, so it looks more conversion focused. Okay, overall, and the services sections is also looking good. Okay, with learn more CTA, which I liked it so much. Okay, we have call for free consultation and we can attach it using a phone number. Nice. We have about section. Okay, we have trusted by thousands trust section. Nice. So overall, we have service area section. We have contact CTA form with business hours, emails and service areas. Okay, with a nice footer, no problem in colors of text and background. So in my personal opinion, I found the Gemini's prompt more detailed or more lovable friendly, I guess. So that's why Lovable created a better website using Gemini's prompt. Okay, in compared to ChatGPT's one. For this month, my winner is Gemini. Okay, because I found the website more usable, more functional and more conversion focused. Okay, let's check for the mobile responsiveness. I don't think we will be have any issue in terms of mobile responsiveness as well. Okay. Yeah, so it's completely mobile responsive. The attention to details are very good. You know, the Gemini followed the exact attention to detail in its prompt. That's why I guess Lovable made a better website. So in my opinion, Gemini beats the chat GPT this month. Okay, and what's your take on it? What's your point of view after seeing the result? Please do comment on it. Okay, and if you like this video, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel, and let's meet for more AI related concepts, more AI related website development videos, and make sure to share it with friends and family so that they can start their website development journey using AI, no code system and all for free. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.